Hi, I'm Alaina Fox and I work here in sales at TGP. I originally started here at TGP in 2006 as a project manager, and I worked here as a project manager for 11 years until 2018. In 2018, I went to work on the commercial side of the industry and went to work for a commercial glazer, and I wanted to see what happened with our product. I wanted to see the other side of the industry, and I wanted to see what was happening out there and how our product was installed and how our industry worked. TGP is an exciting part of it, but I wanted to see how our customers were applying the product that we were supplying to them. Shipping on time, delivering on time, and how that really impacts the job that they do. So after spending, I could say almost like 20 years now, which is really interesting to say, of experience in project management, I just felt like it was time for something to maybe shift up a little bit. I was getting to a point where I wanted to, just like 6 years ago when I wanted to go into the glazing side of the industry, I was getting to the point where I kind of wanted to try something a little different. Take that knowledge and just see where I could also apply that, and the sales side of things looked kind of interesting to me. I'm excited to be working with a team that I've known for a long time, and I feel really fortunate to be here.